G'day, welcome to Mt.Coramba Apiculture. It's Saturday 28th of October 2023. Yes, I'm standing in front of a beehive. I'm at Janine's place in Sandy Beach. Janine's getting the shed put here, so the conditions of the shed being built is there's no beehives here. So they're coming to Nana Glen for a little holiday. First thing we need to do is just get inside them and see what's going on. If there's a box of honey on them, I want to take it off so they're easy to move. We want to alcohol wash them because they need to be alcohol washed before they move, and then we'll come back tonight and pick them up, put them on the trailer and take them. So yeah, we'll go through that process, and we'll just Janine thinks there's something wrong with this hive, but it's swarmed or something like that. But there's pollen going in the front door, so we'll see what's going on. Showering rain as well, but it's sunny again now, so we'll hop in and have a look and see how we go. So we'll hop in this one here that Janine thinks there's something wrong with and have a look and see what's going on. Let's get the strap off. This site was in the Nana Glen purple zone, probably the Bacundry one as well, was it? Yeah. So it's been stripped and matted plenty of times. Yeah. Right, so that's full of honey. Let's get that off. Yeah, I feel a bit light. Something going on here. Yeah, I'll keep it on. Let's get these frames out. Yeah, that's pretty light. And not a lot of bees in here. Yeah, don't like the look of these, Janine.
No, I did tell you.
So we'll just get these supers apart. Yeah, I think this hive's buggered. Main thing is we get them before we lose those boxes to beetles, you know. Oh no, could have something going on here. Let's have a look. Hey? Yeah, they're happy. So let's get down in the brood box here. Not particularly pleased to see me, it's a bit humid and showery, so I'm not surprised. Let's get in here to the nitty gritty. Nothing there. Right, so there has been brood in here. See if we can see any eggs or larvae. Okay. So there are eggs in there, Janine. Something going on. Yep, that's being laid up. Yeah. So there's a queen in there. Or something laying eggs anyway. So queen. Huh. Yeah. I won't wash these, there's just not enough bees. We'll do the other two. But yeah. Righto. So there's something going on there. We'll get it home and fix it up. Try and get these plastic frames out of the brood box as well. I've got some nice stickies at home we can put in there. So screw it back on. That's right. Put that on. And let them So that's that hive back together. I'll just take that third super off so we can move it a bit easier tonight. Just see if they'll drift out. Blow them out a bit later. So hive 2, we'll just get the lid off this and see what's going on. That looks a bit more promising. So let's just take this, lift these frames so it's easy to get this super off. Huh?
Plastic frames, plastic excluder.
Yeah, yeah. This is full of honey, this one. You're going straight into the jars tomorrow.
Beautiful.
Yep. Oh. Oh. That's full.
What's the next one?
So these poly hives, if you just lift those frames a little bit, it pulls them up off the excluder. They're much easier to pull apart. Only takes a few seconds, and the bees just appreciate it more than having that box ripped off the queen excluder, or the queen excluder ripped off the brood box. Let's have a look in here. That's full as well. Righto, so this hive's going. We want to wash them and check them for varroa before we move them. The first thing we need to do is find a queen, preferably. Nice frame of pollen. He's unlikely to be on there, but we'll look anyway. Don't see anything there, Janine. Nice if we found her quickly. So that's good healthy brood in there. Yeah. Yeah, you can wash these without finding the queen, but the next best step is a couple of people have a look at the frame and confirm she's not on there. But I can see eggs and larvae in there. No, I'll find her first. Oh, that's ugly. That's the trouble with putting plastic in the brood box. They don't really like it. I'll get some nice stickies and put in them. I've got some in the freezer, so that'll give them a bit of an extra help. See, that's really not drawn terribly well. See, they don't like it building. They'll build on it in the honey super, but not in the brood boxes. Yeah, no, they still don't like it. Yeah, I start them in the honey super, so I'll extract them, then put them back down in the brood box, and they take it fine. Yeah. There's the queen there. She's a cracker. Look at her.
Yeah.
Absolutely beautiful. So we bred that ourselves, did we? That was the one we put the frame of brood in. Yeah. 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 My bees live on, eh?
They do.
Yeah.
She's a beautiful girl.
Yeah, that's a beautiful queen. Yeah. She's an absolute ripper. Look at her. No, she'll be. I'll just sit her out here. Sit her in there. So we're going to wash these bees. Yep. No, she won't go away. Yeah. good looks aren't all, everything really, but you know, you can have things that don't look real great, but they're great layers, you know. All right, let's get some bees in here. Get them off a couple of frames. So the books say if you can pull them off 3 frames, mix. Way you've got a good cross section of bees. So, there. Put her back in. No, she won't fall off. So you can just see them in the corner. And you just get don't need them all, about half a cup. That's plenty. There's our bees in our wash. We'll give them a shake in a minute. Actually, you can shake them. You've done it before. Let's get this. Supposed to do it for 4, but yeah, I'm not sure what the rule is now. As long as they can just sit there and soak. By the time we get through this other hive, they'll be right. Alright, so that hive's clean, right? And provided it's free of mites, it'll be good to go. So we won't put that third honey super on, they're just easy to move, those bubbles, and this one is quite heavy, so we'll just close that up. Hi. Yeah, that's right. We'll fix them up tonight. We'll just let them drift out and float. So on to hive 3. No, we'll just shake it and when you shake it, like that, you've got to smash them against that screen. Yep, that's the way. Oh, don't like the look of these. So this is a swarm that Janine picked up. Yeah, these are no good at all, Janine. Yep. So this is there could be a queen in here. Well, let's have a look. Won't be washing these either. They just aren't enough bees in. See, they're only covering 3 frames here, so definitely a problem. Well, there is brood, so something going on. So you can see brood here, and I can see eggs in that frame. So we've got a queen going. So once again, a really badly drawn frame, but we'll fix all that up. There's eggs and larvae in that, and this one looks better. So that looks fine. I don't know why it's got so weak, but yeah, we'll sort that out. Yeah. Take them home for a little holiday and fix them up. Right, that's good. We'll close it up. We won't wash them, or we'll finish them off. Put that back in. Yeah, we'll get it right. I won't put that top super on. Close him up, and that'll be an easy one to move. So while I've been talking, Janine's been watching these bees for me, so they should be nearly right. Really important you give them a good hit against that screen and dislodge any mites if you can. Don't forget, if you're looking for one of these wash bottles, there's a link below in the notes to my website where you can buy one from Mt.Coramba apiculture. Turn it upside down. There's nothing that resembles a mite in there, so they'll be good to go. So I'll go home and report this wash, and also record that I'm going to do a movement tonight. And so anywhere you move your hives in New South Wales, you need to record that movement on the DPI website. So anyway, that looks good. Alright, so that's good. I've just got Janine's hives back here at Nana Glen. First beehives that have been here in 12 months. So we'll have a look at them tomorrow and see what ails them. We know there's one good one and a couple that need a bit of work. So we'll get down in the brood boxes and see what we can do for them. Beautiful big full moon up there, lighting me up. Lovely, nice sunset at the back. So always move your hives at night, make sure all the bees are in. You don't want to move them during the day and lose bees that are out flying. A red light's handy. Bees can't see the red, and they're not flying up and hitting you in the face when you let them out. So that's successful. We'll make this a little project to keep our videos going, and yeah, we'll just keep looking at them. I've got to go up to Nimborda tomorrow, and in the morning you just pick up the remains of my hives and get them off the property there. So nothing left injures any of the cows up there. So yeah, hopefully we'll get back and have a look at these tomorrow afternoon and just set them up and get them going again. Thanks for watching.